information. The statement is, for the following county, Dana, Iowa. Northwest winds 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts up to 45 miles an hour expected. The areas affected include much of central Iowa. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from 1 a.m. to 1 p.m. Sunday. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. Tornado watch number 69 remains in effect until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Benton, Cedar, Delaware, Iowa, John
Brandon, Iowa.
Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet for the latest severe weather information. At 5 p.m. at Cedar Rapids, skies were partly sunny. The temperature was 67 degrees, dew point 60, relative humidity 78%. The wind was southeast at 21 miles an hour, gusting to 33. And the pressure was 29.36 inches and falling. In Iowa City, skies were partly sunny. The temperature was 69 degrees, dew point 60, relative humidity 73%. The wind was southeast at 16 miles an hour, gusting to 26. And the pressure was 29.38 inches and falling. Until 6:30 p.m. for the following county, Black Hawk, Iowa. The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Black Hawk County in northeastern Iowa until 6:30 p.m.
Time is 6:07 p.m. Mark.
Over Waterloo, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornadoes. Waters have reported a tunnel flood over eastern Waterloo at 6:02 p.m. The following impacts are expected. Falling debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Overhead will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Black Hawk County, including the following locations: Raymond and Delta. This includes Interstate 380 between mile markers 69 and 70, and between mile markers 72 and 70. The tornado warning remains in effect until 6:30 p.m. for northeastern Black Hawk County. At 6:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Elmwood Heights, 47 miles northeast of Waterloo, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. Source: weather spotters reported a rotating warm cloud east of Crossroads Mall at 6:04 p.m. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Overheads will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to windows and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Black Hawk County, including the following locations: Delta. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. Keep your front doors in a mobile home or in a vehicle. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties: Black Hawk, Iowa. Pleasantville and Spencer's Grove. This includes Interstate 383 mile markers 44 and 55. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement floor and interior room on the lowest floor